Couple number 3. Couple number 4. Now it's time for you to pick up the phone and get those fingers working. Cast your votes now!